Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you that how you can create a dripping drops effect from your text in Adobe After Effects. Create a new composition and rename it as main comp. Add your text. You can apply that effect directly on this text, but I would prefer that you can use an adjustment layer and use effect CC smear. As we applied this text, you can see it's kind of distortion effect. So first it says from. Where should you start this effect? I would say that we should start at this point. And 2, which means at which point it ends like this. Now keyframe this 2. Press U, it will reveal the keyframe. And we have keyframe at this point so that it will end at here. And let's say I want it to end after 3 seconds. Now again check this point and make it near to the from. So as you can see, it's starting from here, and in the start we have set it at this point so that we have no any particular effect like this. Once it's done, change the radius to 30 and keyframe the radius. Press U, it will also reveal the radius keyframe. And once you can see it's going down and it stop at this point. If you reduce the radius like this and ease these keyframes, so you can see we have a dripping effect at this point. There is also point of this reach. Let's say the dripping effect will stop at this point. If you reduce the reach, you can see it's slightly going up. In this way, if you want to add more dripping effects, click on this dripping effect, click on add or again CC smear and select the from and again select the 2 like this, keyframe the 2, reduce the radius so that you can see the effect, and once we make it close like this, once you can see that it has stopped at this point because we have stopped this at this point, and if we reduce the radius, like keyframe the radius and decrease it to 0, it will. So what I will suggest at this point, that you should start this effect at the end like this. Also in the starting, in the radius should be around 20 to 30, so you can see this effect. And if you want that the effect should be as thick as this character is, make changes, like we started from 30. So in this way you can create multiple drops dripping effect from your text in After Effects. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with others. And then I will see you in next video.